Hi, and welcome to our new segment called The Cooking Time with me and Baby Ta. So today we will be making our first video, and it's an easy dessert called Pastimallows. So you only gotta need 3 ingredients. So what we're going to do? Let's get started! Welcome to Happy Fun Time! And here is our ingredients. First, powdered milk. Second, condensed. Third, marshmallows. Of course, we have our bowl. First, let's mix the powdered milk and the condensed. We mix it evenly until all powdered milk is wet and sticky. Let's add more condensed if it's too dry. Mix, mix, mix. Do you smell it, Baby Ta? Can't wait to try them. Okay, I think this is ready to mold. Get some spoon, scoop some from the mixture, like this one. Yummy. Stretch it. Then get some marshmallow. Okay. Put it inside the mixture and then roll with your both hands using your palm. Oh, by the way guys, I forgot to dust my hands with some powdered milk. So look, it's kind of sticky here. So dust your palm or your hands with some powdered milk so it won't be sticky like this. Alright? Wow, look, Baby Ta! It's so yummy! Look at the Pastimallows we made! It's so easy and everybody can try it at home, right? Hi guys, do you have any requests? What we're going to do in their next video? Please leave a comment. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our video if you like it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. See you in our next video.